Good day everyone, and thank you for being here today. I am going to tell you a wonderful and inspiring story about one of the most successful people in the world, a man who changed technology forever and helped millions of people. His name is Bill Gates. You may already know his name. He is the co-founder of Microsoft, one of the biggest companies in the world. But there is so much more to his story than just business. His life is full of lessons, hard work, and dreams. If you want to learn English and also learn from someone great, then this speech is for you. Bill Gates was born on October 28, 1955, in Seattle, Washington, in the United States. His full name is William Henry Gates III. From a young age, he showed signs that he was very smart. He loved reading books, learning new things, and solving puzzles. His parents noticed that he was different from other kids. He did not just want to play outside, he wanted to think, to read, and to build. His mind was always working. When he was in school, Bill Gates was not the most social or the most athletic student, but he was very curious. He wanted to understand how things worked. One day, when he was about 13 years old, he got a chance to use a computer for the first time. Back then, computers were very big, expensive, and rare. Most people had never even seen one. But Bill Gates was lucky. His school had a computer club, and he joined it. From that moment, everything changed. Bill Gates fell in love with computers. He started learning how to program. Programming means giving instructions to a computer to make it do what you want. It was like magic to him. He would spend hours and hours writing code, testing it, and fixing it. Sometimes, he would skip classes just to be in front of a computer. He knew in his heart that this was what he wanted to do. He met another student in the computer club. His name was Paul Allen. Paul was also very smart and loved computers. The two became good friends and worked together on different computer projects. They were a great team. While other kids were thinking about sports or parties, Bill and Paul were thinking about software, programming, and the future. After high school, Bill Gates went to Harvard University, one of the best universities in the world. But even at Harvard, he could not stop thinking about computers. In the 1970s, computers were becoming smaller and more powerful. A company called Altair made a small computer that people could buy and use at home. Bill and Paul saw this as a big opportunity. They decided to write software for the Altair computer. They worked day and night to make it happen. When their software worked, the company liked it. This was the beginning of something huge. Bill Gates and Paul Allen decided to start their own company. They called it Microsoft. The name comes from a microcomputer and software. They wanted to provide software for all the small computers that were starting to appear around the world. Bill Gates made a bold decision. He left Harvard before finishing his degree. This was a big risk, but he believed in his dream. Microsoft started small, but Bill Gates had a big vision. He believed that one day, every home and every office would have a personal computer, and Microsoft would be part of it. He worked very hard to make this dream come true. He was not just a programmer. He was a businessman, a leader, and a thinker. He made deals with computer companies to use Microsoft software. The biggest break came when a company called IBM wanted an operating system for their computers. Microsoft gave them MS-DOS, and it became a huge success. After that, Microsoft kept growing. In 1985, they created Windows, a new kind of operating system that was easy to use. People loved it. More and more people started using computers with Microsoft software. Bill Gates became very rich, but he did not stop working. He kept improving his products, hiring smart people, and growing his company. By the 1990s, Microsoft was one of the most powerful companies in the world, and Bill Gates was the richest man in the world. But he did not just care about money. He cared about using his success to help others. In 2000, he stepped down as the CEO of Microsoft and focused more on charity. He and his wife, Melinda, started the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This foundation is one of the biggest charities in the world. It works to improve health, education, and reduce poverty. The foundation gives money to fight diseases like malaria, HIV, and polio. It helps poor children go to school. It works on clean water and good food. Bill Gates wants to make the world a better place. He believes that every life has equal value, no matter where you are born. Even after stepping away from Microsoft, Bill Gates continued to be a leader in global health and education. He traveled to different countries, met with scientists, talked to leaders, and worked with governments. He also wrote books and gave talks to inspire people. He talks about the future of technology, climate change, education, and the power of innovation. He believes in science, knowledge, and kindness. Bill Gates is not perfect. He has made mistakes, just like anyone else. But he learns from them. He always tries to do better. That is what makes him special. He is always learning. He reads a lot of books. He listens to other people. He stays curious, just like when he was a boy. He also believes in hard work. He once said, "I never took a day off in my 20s. Not one." This shows how serious he was about his work. So what can we learn from Bill Gates? We can learn many things. First, we should follow our passion. Bill Gates loved computers, and he followed that passion all his life. Second, we should work hard. Success does not come easily. It takes time, effort, and patience. Third, we should always learn. The world is changing, and we must keep learning to stay ahead. Fourth, we should help others. When we become successful, we should use our success to make the world better. You may not become the next Bill Gates, but you can still be great in your own way. You can study hard, be curious, and do what you love. You can help your family, your friends, and your community. You can make small changes that lead to big results. That is how great people are made. Bill Gates also teaches us about the power of dreams. When he started Microsoft, no one believed that every home would have a computer. But he believed. He saw the future before others did. He believed in technology, and he believed in himself. That belief changed the world. He also teaches us that money is not the most important thing in life. Yes, he became very rich. But he used his money to help people. He gave billions of dollars to charity. He worked to save lives. He gave back to the world. That is true success. And he teaches us about humility. Even though he is one of the most famous people in the world, he is simple. He wears normal clothes. He likes reading and spending time with his family. He does not show off. He focuses on what matters, learning, helping, and building a better world. In the end, Bill Gates is more than just a businessman. He is a thinker, a giver, and a leader. He is a person who saw the future and worked to create it. He is a role model for anyone who wants to make a difference. I hope this story of Bill Gates has inspired you. I hope it has helped you improve your English. But more than that, I hope it has shown you that with passion, hard work, and kindness, you can achieve great things. Whether you are learning English, building your future, or dreaming big dreams, remember this: never give up, never stop learning, and always believe in yourself.